So the Samsung Galaxy S10 is one of the next smartphones to feature an in-display fingerprint scanner, and while there was an assumption that Samsung will procure Qualcomm's ultrasonic fingerprint scanner for its upcoming beast, a new official leak refuses that. The leak comes from none other than WIPO, where Samsung requested a patent for a biometric sensor and device including the same. For more info, this patent was requested in April this year and was published by WIPO on 18 October 2018. It clearly describes an optical method with optical filters and layers. This means that a more expensive device can feature it, and the Galaxy S10 comes to our mind. Also, the sketch in these pictures resembles a S-series phone, and the patent focuses on the placement of the sensor. A disadvantage of an optical sensor is that a certain distance between the display and the sensor must be maintained. As a result of shock or aging, this distance may vary in the long run, which may impair the performance of the sensor as the patent describes. To prevent this, they are making efforts which I don't think I need to explain, as it will make the video more complex and will go in another direction. All in all, Samsung is working on their own in-display technology instead of buying it from a third party. Additionally, an optical sensor can do more than the regular one, including heart rate and blood pressure monitoring, so the company must be considering or working on it. But with all those features, it has drawbacks too. An ultrasonic sensor has a number of advantages, so it is theoretically possible to use the entire display as a fingerprint scanner. An ultrasonic sensor also works better if the screen is dirty or wet. In terms of speed, an optical sensor is faster, but the question is, do you need speed or accuracy? Let me know in the comments down below. Also, Samsung has started production of EUV 7nm LPP chips, which will be faster and more efficient than the 10nm chips that power most of the 2018 Android flagships. The company doesn't mention the name of 7nm Exynos chip that will power the Galaxy S10 next year, but who even cares for a name at this point of time? At least we are now aware that Samsung is doing what other major manufacturers are doing. That said, I'll see you guys tomorrow in my next video. Till then, peace out.